Hey guys, today we got a really nice top here. This is an ARE V-Series Contractor cap. Fits the 21 through 25 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. White in color. This one's really nice. Just took it off the truck. It really, honestly, doesn't have any problems on it that I found. Paint's in good shape. Looks like I have a small nick right there. Some bugs on it. There's a bug right there. Go away. We just took it off. So the bottom edge is good in shape. We don't. They didn't take a chance to. They didn't have a chance to set it on the ground and chip up the edge. The bottom edge is all in great shape. It's not all chewed up. Does have the side doors on it. Open up, painted to match, the same color. The toolbox on the inside. Has the Prime Design rack on the top. It's aluminum rack. Alurack, as they call it. Alurack or whatever. It's a really nice rack. It's a fairly high cost piece when ordered with the cap. Front's in good shape. No damage on the paint that I see here at all. Does have a picture window in the front. Side door on this side as well. Paint's in good shape over here. Top and the top edge on this side looks good. No damage. No, that's dirt. I'm not seeing anything on this at all, other than that one little nick that we looked at on the other side. Oops. It might be a little. Well, I don't know what that is. It's not a nick, but it's something on the paint. Inside's got toolboxes on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. This back panel is painted the same color as the truck, so really the purpose of putting a window in the front, I don't really know. Unless you just wanted to look at... I don't even know why you'd put a window in the front of this cap. It does have a little wear mark right there. And maybe right there as well. Those two right there. Probably when the door was open. Oops, let me open it up here. It was probably, something was on the rack here and then it rubbed against it. As close as this door gets, it probably rubbed against that whatever was on there. Not seeing anything else on this back door. This rack does have the crossbar supports in there, and then has the rolling ladder roller up here, so you can roll the ladder up onto the rack. Makes it nice for loading the boards and what have you. Inside, just bare fiberglass. serial number. Was built specifically for a 23 Ford F-150 Super Crew with the 5.5 foot bed, V-Series. YZ white is the color on that. So pretty much the standard Ford white. There's the key to it. There it is. Got a ARE cab high fiberglass V-Series contractor cap. Fits the 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. It was Super Cruise. It typically had the 5.5 foot bed. So Super Crew 5.5 foot bed. YZ white. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us. You just click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it taken care of for you from there. If you're looking for a certain cap style, model, brand, color, what have you to fit your truck, you're waiting for a used unit to come in, we upload our used caps and inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.